Add a PCIe 2.0 x16 slot to your Thunderbolt 3 MacBook or laptop with StarTech.com's Thunderbolt 3 expansion chassis with DisplayPort output. It allows PCIe expansion and daisy chaining with a single Thunderbolt 3 cable to laptops, 2-in-1s, and all-in-ones that don't offer expansion slots but do offer Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 ports. Our expansion enclosure utilizes Thunderbolt 3's 40 gigabits per second bandwidth to provide a 4-lane PCIe 3.0 slot for your X16 cards. It uses the 25-watt PCIe slot specification and is ideal for installing USB ports, network, eSATA, or video capture cards. Add a 4K 60Hz extended monitor to your laptop or desktop computer from the dedicated DisplayPort output on the rear of the chassis. For efficient multitasking, you can add additional Thunderbolt 3 devices, up to 6, by daisy chaining devices together, including displays up to 6K 60Hz by connecting to the Thunderbolt 3 port on the chassis. USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 video adapters are supported as well. An all-metal aluminum and steel construction offers greater durability. Its internal 60mm fan moves over 14 CFM of air to ensure the equipment remains cool. The expansion chassis comes with a 50cm Thunderbolt 3 cable and a universal power adapter. With over 35 years as the IT professional's choice, the StarTech.com Thunderbolt 3 PCIe expansion chassis is backed by a 2-year warranty and has lifetime technical support.